G'day and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Today we're going to take these beautiful pre-cut fabrics, how about that, you don't have to cut anything, and turn it into Clue 7 of the Tree of Life Puzzle Mission Quilt by Cut and Cut. I do this as a time lapse, so I speed everything up so you get to see the whole clues come together in just a few moments, so I hope you enjoy. So Clue 7 is all done. We have 3 different sections in this, and I think they all turned out beautifully. So this is number 1, and this looks more like those little houses that I keep talking about. The house and the mountains. I'm pretty sure it's not how it is in the final design, but, you know, let me have fun with this. And then section 7B is this here, and I have no clue where this is going to go, but the final instructions with Clue 10 will tell me, of course, right? And this one here, I think it turned out really cute as well. It's kind of like a, maybe part of the corner? I don't know. Anyway. So that is it for today. The final reveal is on November 1st, so definitely come check it out over on the Cut and Cut site. And I would love to know if you're sewing this along with me or if you've ever done a puzzle mission quilt in the past. I hope you all have a great day. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. It helps the channel out immensely. Tell a friend. I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.